So inevitably, the Maverick discusses the disqualification of Camperdown High and Timberley Gardens High School from the season's Manning Cup competition, both for the use of ineligible players. And again, we all know that the rules are the rules, and you breach the rules, you're out. But my question as usual is, do these rules make sense? Do they benefit the wider good? Personally, I think there is a grand overthinking and over-rationalization of these obstructive rules regarding school sports in Jamaica. For me, as long as a boy or a girl is a bona fide student of a school, he or she should be allowed to play football, cricket, run a champs, join the cadets, play school challenge quiz, sing and all together sing. As long as the student is attending class and is a legitimate student of the school, them supposed to can represent the school. This bag of thing about sit out a year and can't transfer to another school and must qualify academically to play sports. This is all oppressive and discriminatory because these rules only apply to sports. It is even worse now with youngsters trying to navigate the realities of a crippling global pandemic. Where is the concern for the welfare of the players who are also students who are directly impacted by the saga? Both rule. Support the rule, fool.